Class 6 Science Chapter 3. Hello friends, today I am going to give you all a small explanation on Science Class 6 Chapter 3, Rain. Where does it come from? Let's read it. Ramya and Soumya were getting ready to go to school. Their mother advised them to keep an umbrella with them. Ramya asked her mother why the umbrella was needed as it was not raining. After looking at the sky, mother told them that it was likely to rain as it was cloudy and windy weather. They started the school wondering about how their mother was able to predict when it cloud rain. Why do we get rains? Where do the rains come from? How did mother know that it was likely to rain? Do all the clouds formed in the sky cause rain? Rain is a common phenomenon like air and sunlight in our daily life. We generally get more rains in rainy season. Our general observation is that if the sky is cloudy, then there is a possibility of rain, but clouds do not lead to rains every time. Sometimes we witness sudden rains. Why do clouds cause rain? What is the relation between rains and clouds? Why don't all clouds cause rain? What we have learned so far. Rain is caused by windy and cold weather. Rain is a common phenomenon like air and sunlight. Rain is caused by clouds, but how? Okay, now let's see forms of water. All of us know that water is available in nature in three forms. Solid form. We call solid form of water ice. Snow occurs naturally. Okay, it's written. Can we convert water into ice? Explain what we should do. It's simple. We should just freeze water in a tray of ice tray. Now, liquid form of ice or water. What happens if ice is kept in the open air? If we eat ice, it will be changed into water. Water in liquid form is present in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers, and even underground. Gaseous form. What happens when water is heated? The gaseous form of water is water vapor which is present in air around us. We know that when ice is heated, it converts into water, and if water is heated, it turns into water vapor. Similarly, when water vapor is cool, we can get back water. If water is cool further, we will get ice. So the formula is ice heated cooled water, water heated cooled water vapor. Simple, right? You can learn this. So we understand that these three forms of water are interchangeable. Evaporation and formation of clouds. What happens to the water in the clothes when they are kept in sunlight? When we want to dry clothes quickly, we wave them about or keep them under a fan. Does the water in wet clothes dry up only due to sunlight or due to other reasons? You might have seen that water on wet roads, roof tops and some other places dries up after some time, though there is no sunlight. Where does this water go after drying up? If you heat up kept water in a bowl by using a stove, you may notice water vapor coming from the bowl. Thus, when water is heated, it gets converted to vapor and mixes with the air. This is what happens to the water in the wet clothes also. The process of water changing into water vapor is called evaporation. If water is gently heated, it will become warm. Some vapor is produced. If it is heated more, it starts boiling. If we heat it further, it evaporates and converts completely into water vapor. We know that the amount of heat absorbed by water affects its evaporation. If water is heated more, it will evaporate. Okay, this means that water has three forms: gas, liquid and solid. So the gaseous state of water is water vapor. The liquid state of water is water only, and the solid state of water is ice. So water is interchangeable. Now, what is evaporation? The changing of water into water vapor is known as evaporation. This is a very important term for you to learn in the 6th standard. Now let's continue reading. If water is gently heated, it will become warm. Some vapor is produced. If it is heated more, it starts boiling. If we heat it further, it evaporates and converts completely into water vapor, which we have read. Next, we know that the amount of heat absorbed by water affects the evaporation. If water is heated more, it will evaporate fast. You might have observed evaporation in many situations in day-to-day life. Discuss them with your friends and prepare a list. Where does the water vapor go after evaporation? What is a cloud? How clouds are formed? Condensation. It is a common experience that on cold water winter mornings when we speak, we observe smoke-like vapor coming out of our mouths. Let us see a figure for this. This one. Why does this happen? This looks like we are having some secret or we're smoking, but this is the smoke which comes out from our mouth when we talk. Why does the smoke-like vapor come out from our mouth? Do we experience this in summer also? In winter, the air in our atmosphere is very cool as compared to the air coming out from our mouth. Water vapor present in the air coming out from our mouth gets cooled suddenly to form very thin droplets. These thin droplets concentrated in a limited area appear like smoke or small cloud near our mouth. You might have observed that during mornings in winter, some fog formed and small dew droplets appear on grass, leaves or plants. Let's see a figure for this once more. This one. From where does this water come on leaves? This is nothing but this is rain which appears. Thank you for watching. This was the first part. I will surely be back with the part 2 of this chapter as this is really interesting and funny. So see ya in the next part. Read it, learn it and remember science is fun. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more. Bye-bye.